Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Lightroom Classic and going straight to the Develop module so you can access all edits. Click the photo whose settings you want to copy. You're focusing on that source image now. Next, check that the panels where you adjusted exposure, color, and local edits are expanded so you know exactly what will transfer. Once done, use the Copy Settings shortcut or menu command to pick which adjustments to copy. This prevents accidentally copying unwanted tweaks. You now decide which settings to copy. Open the Copy Settings dialog and tick only the boxes you need, like exposure, white balance, tone curve, or color grading. This precision prevents overriding targeted edits on destination images. Make sure to exclude local adjustments like heal or clone unless you want them duplicated. If you prefer speed, use the keyboard shortcut to open the dialog, then confirm your selection and move on to the next step. You're ready to apply the settings. Select one or multiple target photos in the library or film strip, then choose Paste Settings or press Sync to push edits to all selected files. After pasting, inspect highlights, shadows, and skin tones to verify consistency. Make local tweaks as necessary. If something looks off, undo immediately and revisit the Copy Settings dialog to adjust which boxes you selected. A key troubleshooting tip: if sync behaves oddly, ensure you're not in auto sync mode and try pasting one image first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.